everyone, and welcome to another episode of Easy Data Science. This is going to be on Python's basic math uh, functions that we're going to be looking at division, just similar to multiplication when it comes to using a different symbol that represents division. So for this one, we use the backslash as the division sign. So we'll see here in the examples of 6 divided by 4. Let's try that out now. 6 backslash 4 gives us an answer of 1.5. So with division, we always know we'll get a fraction, but when it comes to Python, the numbers will be in decimals. So instead of being 1.5, it's 1.5. So now for the next division, example is going to be 15 divided by 5. That is 3.0. And for our last example is 20 divided by 10. That is 2.0. So it's interesting to note that when you do division in Python, you use the backslash to be the symbol for division. And the answers, instead of being in fractions like we usually would see them as, they will be in decimals, like 1.5, 3.0, 2.0, and so on. So this is just another short video on that. Hope everyone's having a good day, and hopefully we'll come up with something much more interesting for the next week's video. All right, everybody, have a good